Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear your RAM cached into your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we will go to our start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for Task Manager. After that, here you will get the performance section. You can see, click on that and here you will need to click on memory. And here you can see cached 2.1 GB. This is basically RAM cached. So if you want to clear them, you just need to go for your Google Chrome and here you just need to search for RAM map. If you click on RAM map, you will get the first link from Microsoft.com. Click on that and you will able to get download RAM map option over here. If you click on that and click on download, you can see your RAM map zip is downloaded. And now if you click on this folder icon and if you now unzip the folder, like click on your right mouse button, extract all and extract. And this is how you can extract your RAM map zip file. So you just need to click on the first RAM map, click on that, click yes, and now click on agree. And here is RAM map interface over here. If you now close the back side and close it, minimize this, and you can see this is our task manager and this is our RAM map. So you can see the cache is 2.2 GB. So if I want to clear them, you just need to click on the empty in RAM map and you just need to click on empty standby list. If you click on that, here you can see the cached is deleted and there is only 132 MB. So this is how you can clear your RAM cached into your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.